Hey guys, this is Tech Rover. In this quick tutorial video, I just want to show you how to connect your old Mobile Legends account to your game. So let's get started. Okay guys, now we're gonna go to profile and we check out for this option to get back our old account. Click on OK and check out for this. It's only in iPhone, so okay, then which phone you play before your old account on iPhone, and how many gem I have? Nothing, 0. Okay, these are the questions I can recover my old account. So which heroes I have? Just Mia and the Fanny. Yeah, I think there's no more, just only Fanny. And okay, we have to click on okay, then we go to next step, which skins, and this one, and I think I have the Diggy and the Yasha. So these are the skins I have on my old account, and here I have done all the answers were correct, and I'm going to recover my old account. Clicking on OK, so we are going to restart the game. Here we are. I'm going to open the game, Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Very interesting game. So we can wait. Okay guys, as you can see, the loading of Mobile Legends is going to be finished, and there I can play with my old account. So we're gonna wait for 2-3 seconds. It will start. It's my favorite game, and my favorite hero is Lancelot because I'm assassin, whatever. So we're gonna close this menu and we're gonna check out for the profile, and let me check. Here's that. As you can see, oh, it's a notification about I recover my account. Okay, so as you can see, this is my account. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, up to next tutorial videos. Bye bye.